Are you looking to get started selling products on Amazon? Well, right now is a great time to get started. Or maybe you're already selling on Amazon and we could all use a quick tip or pointer here and there. If so, you're in the right place, because in this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to find products right now that you could sell on Amazon for profit using a method called online arbitrage. And you don't even have to leave home. Let's get started right now. This is what to sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Horace here with this quick video. I'm so glad to be here today to show you a couple of ways you can make some money doing online arbitrage. So what we're looking at is something I found at Walmart.com on clearance. And so you may be asking, where do you go to find deals like this? Well, you go pretty much everywhere, but Walmart is a favorite place of mine. Some people might tell you to stay away from them. They work for me. But this product is on clearance, as you can see, $3, $2.99. And if you find this product at Walmart, the first thing you're doing, if you use my system, you're going to look at the rank. So if you come right down here and you see that rank of 15,000 in toys and games, that is amazing. Amazing. Or to use a pun, it's incredible. That's what these toys are. So if you can get the product for $3 basically plus tax, and then you want to look at, like, what is it selling for? So you saw me click to see what other people are doing. When you see all of these Prime members, that lets you know right then and there this product is selling. If you're going to jump in right with these guys, you're going to pay, you're going to sell it for $10.15. You're kind of looking at things like how much stock they may have or whatever. But at the end of the day, you want to use the Amazon revenue calculator. I tell you all about that if you sign up for my free leads. But in this case, $10.15 cost me about 50 cents to get it into Amazon's warehouse, because I go FBA, meaning Amazon does everything. And with tax, because I'm in Pennsylvania, it's going to cost me $3.17. So I'd make $1.62. Now that doesn't sound like a lot of money. In the grand scheme of things, it really works though. And I'll show you a little bit about that later, but that's one example of how you can make some quick money. Another item that I found on Amazon is this like slingshot type deal. So that's some type of toy, and toys are really good, especially if you're just starting out, because toys you can generally get approved, although there may be some brands that you're gated in or you can't sell. So you're going to pay $9.99 plus whatever tax you might have to pay. If you find that product on Amazon, again, here's the product. Go right down into the product information. Look at the rank, and amazing the rank on that. And I'll show you how to find the corresponding ranks as far as what categories, and to kind of be able to estimate how many units are selling, because that's one of the important things. You're looking at the rank because the rank tells you just how popular the product is. When you're first starting out, you probably don't want to sit on products. As you get something behind you, as you really get your momentum going, then yes, you can afford to wait on some items, and that's where you'll really make the bulk of, the big profits. But just starting out, or if you just want to make sure you're turning inventory for some type of profit, you want a good rank. The lower the rank, the better. So here we go again with the Amazon revenue calculator. That's something that they provide for you. Just go to, you can just type in revenue calculator in Google. That'll take you right there. And again, I teach that. But we're looking to see what this product is selling for. Now, again, in most cases, or the way I do it, I'm worried about the Prime seller. So you can even click this checkbox. That way you get rid of everybody else except Prime, because that's who your competition is if you sell like me, where you're going to ship product in and let Amazon do everything. If you're like me, you work a regular job. Guys, you know that. I got all kinds of videos showing me at work. So
I got to work a job. I don't really have time to be fulfilling orders. So if you want to jump in with these guys, $24.94, right in your revenue calculator, you put in about what it's going to cost you to get it into Amazon. And then with tax, it's going to cost me $10.59. So I'm going to make $6.91, or almost, basically $7. That's a pretty good deal, guys. I mean, a lot of people are really looking for the high return on investment, the high profit margins. I mean, that's okay if you can find them. A lot of times you've seen my videos on retail arbitrage, and a lot of times you can get better deals that way. But we got to be practical about this. Remember, if I'm looking at you, I'm looking for you if we have something in common. And one of the biggest similarities I'm looking between you and me is a regular guy working a regular 9-to-5 job, 40 hours plus a week, plus doing this in order to build a better life for yourself. So you're not going to be able to get out in them streets every day, right? But you still have to keep the products coming in. It's very important. The lifeblood of this business is the inventory. So you have to keep it coming in. Online arbitrage is a great way to keep products coming in. And then when you want to really score that home run, you take that one day out of the week that you can get to the store, the one day out of the week every 2 weeks that you can get to the store. I always use an analogy like baseball. You don't have to hit a home run on every swing. You got your base hits, you got your bunts, you got your doubles, right? So that's pretty much going to do it. But before I go, you might be wondering, hey, why should you be listening to me? You know what I'm saying? Who am I? Well, I've made it my mission to help people that are like me, people that I resonate with or resonate with me as far as our similarities and where we're coming from and what we're trying to achieve. So we got over 70 videos up now on YouTube teaching how to do it. And, I'm not one of these guys that are talking about 7 figures and all these big numbers. And you're not going to see me in fancy cars and mansions and all that stuff. I'm just a regular guy. But I tell you what, if we come over to my Amazon account, you can see that in the last 30 days, I've done over $8,600, right? You do that every month and using the methods that I use. This is how I make my revenue right here, the way I'm showing you. These are the places that I go, Walmart, Target. Everything that I do, I share with you. I got no problem with that because abundance is out here. And you do these kind of numbers, you're doing 6 figures. You're doing over 100. I'm on pace to get there. You follow my videos, you see where I showed what I did. Maybe almost $80,000 I did last year. So it can be done. That's something that could change your life. You have to do the work, though. It's not hard. As you can see, this stuff really isn't hard. The challenge is doing the work while managing a full-time career, a family, a house. Okay? So what have I done to help you with that challenge? I'll tell you what. You go visit the website. Go to onlineinternetprofits.com. Onlineinternetprofits.com. Sign up. And you know what you're going to get? You're going to get free leads. Cost you absolutely nothing. Go out there, get the free leads. I've done this to help you. Okay? Because we're not going to have any excuses. There will be no reason why you can't get started if you want to change your life. So thanks a lot, guys. That's going to end this video, and I'm out of here.
Thank you for watching. That concludes this video. Now it's up to you to get started. As I've demonstrated, there's nothing hard about this, but there is work that has to be done. The good news is you're not alone. We're here to help. And there's only 3 quick and easy things you need to do. Number 1, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. 2, hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of the valuable content that we come out with. And 3, go to onlineinternetprofits.com and sign up for the free leads that you can have access to. That's right, cost you absolutely nothing, put out there for your benefit in order to help you with leads. Thank you so much. And this is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm Horace, and I'm out.
Oh, yes.